Good afternoon. I'm Todd Tweedy, Vice President of Sales at Cadence. In the next several minutes, I'm planning to provide a condensed overview of our SaaS platform, Cadence Circuit Management, or KCM. KCM drives profitability by improving efficiencies and optimizing the processes associated with the management of special circuits and inside plant. We are currently viewing the dashboard, which is the default view or landing page. Users can configure widgets and templates based on internal KPIs and ultimately create a management dashboard. In conjunction with the recent Cadence ticketing system release, the GUI was updated leveraging Bootstrap, which is an HTML development tool for mobile applications. As such, we can resize the screen, which is ideal for tablet and field applications. Viewing the details associated with the service order to install a 10x10 Ethernet circuit, we can see that 6 actions or workflow events are associated with this particular order item type. These workflow events route the service order to various individuals and departments within an organization and are ultimately responsible for the fulfillment of the service order. The KCM workflow engine supports formal processes, thereby improving visibility and accountability. Multiple custom workflows can be implemented based on the internal processes and business rules. To keep this overview concise, I'm planning to skip the order and ticket tabs. For more information on ticketing, please refer to the Cadence Ticketing System Overview on YouTube. By providing a hierarchical view of all the physical network assets, the Network tab improves visibility and optimizes the process of managing inside plant. The left-hand hierarchy first identifies the type of location and then specifies if floors and/or rooms are associated with this location. The user then has the ability to view rows of relay racks and individual racks. Ultimately, we are able to drill down to the shelf and equipment level and view individual cards and ports. DSX panel number 2 has been configured with 84 ports, all of which are active. In the network view, we can also understand the association of ports and circuits as demonstrated by viewing the circuit detail for the first 4 ports. The standard icons located in the upper right-hand portion provide some additional important functionality. The pencil-like icon allows the users to view and configure a shelf. If the organization using the KCM platform has elected to leverage the Cadence ticketing system, the movie ticket icon on the far right will facilitate the creation of a ticket associated with the shelf. The email icon launches the maintenance notification feature. Because the KCM platform associates customers with circuits and equipment, the process of notifying customers of upcoming maintenance can be completed in an expeditious manner by leveraging a 3-step wizard. The customers that need to be notified are selected, the notification is composed, and then ultimately delivered via email. Some of the robust core functionality of KCM can be found in the Circuit tab. Circuits, facilities, DLRs, and channels are built and managed using tools found in the Circuit tab. For demonstration purposes, we have configured the left-hand navigation to display our circuit, facility, off-net, and on-net inventories. For data center applications, we can also document electrical circuits. Fiber rings and virtual rings can be also built and managed. Standard GUI icons are at the user's disposal for editing circuits and attaching notes. Notes can be freeform or take the form of an attachment. There is no file type or size limitation for attachments. Basic circuit detail is displayed pertaining to a circuit, including IDs, A and Z locations, and the associated customer. Editing an existing circuit launches the Circuit Wizard, which is a 6-step process for building and managing circuits and facilities. The original service order pertaining to the circuit can be viewed. Customer information, including contracts, are displayed. In the instance of an off-net circuit, lessor and contract information can also be viewed. Contract management is critical to the sales team for retaining customers and to the operational and finance teams to avoid unnecessary operational expenses. The DLR can be viewed, edited, and reordered. Inside plan information and comments can also be captured. The DLR can be viewed in a graphical representation or printed as a PDF. For circuits such as Ethernet or SONET rings, individual channels or VLANs can be created. Each channel or VLAN can then be associated with a customer. The ring functionality enables a KCM user to create a fiber ring with multiple virtual paths. The Location tab provides a comprehensive overview of all the network locations. Similar to other network data, locations can be added, edited, and deleted. What constitutes a location is highly flexible, as locations can take the form of a central office, a co-location, a fiber hotel, or a customer premise, to name a few. The Business tab provides basic CRM functionality. Customers, vendors, and contacts can be added and managed. KCM CRM information is vital for SLA and contract management, as well as for maintenance notifications. The Report tab contains a library of various reports. Thanks to the SQL reporting tool, virtually any piece of data documented in KCM can be delivered in a report format. For contract management, the expiring contracts report can be leveraged. Profitability by circuit can be reviewed using the Circuit Cost Detail report. All the circuits associated with an individual customer or a specific network location can also be viewed. The final navigational tab in KCM is the Config or Configuration tab. Tools within this tab can be likened to the overall settings for the KCM platform. Users would leverage the config tools during the initial platform setup and as dictated by operational needs or process changes. I will highlight a few of the tools. The order tools provide configuration of the workflow processes. The ticket tools provide configuration of the ticket creation and management. The circuit tools specifies the circuit ID format, facility type, and circuit status. The SLA tools are leveraged when KCM is integrated with a network management system for purposes of SLA reporting. The template tools enable a user to introduce various rack, shelf, and equipment types and build and save configurations for each. The system tools empowers a user to introduce a new field or column to record an additional piece of data, such as a note or an additional IP address. The security tools are designed for use by a platform administrator to create users and then assign roles or access rights. That concludes the brief overview of KCM. Should you like to schedule a more in-depth demo or would like any additional information, please contact us at sales@gocadence.com. Thanks.